Hello, hi guys, welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another Code engineer task. I am here on my Chrome browser. On my search bar, let me type engineer.codecloud.com/login and hit enter. I directly got this UI because I had to save my password. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter username and password. Once you hit those details, you will also get the same UI just like me. Okay, guys, we have completed the Linux tasks. So there is something called a test. So let me do this test today. Okay, click on this take a test button here. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Yes, we got our task. So it is telling 120 minutes. We need to complete 10 questions. Okay, as we are aware, multiple questions are to log into multiple servers, right? App servers, storage servers, backup servers. So I'm just, in order to get those credentials, I'm just clicking on this details of all users and servers button. Okay, so let me go to the task again. Let me read the first task, what it is. Its weightage is 14. One user needs to be created an app server in Stratos data center. The system admins team has shared more details below regarding the same. The username should be Muhammad on app server 2 in Stratos data center. Set its UID to 1709 and home directory to /opt/Muhammad. You can create this directory if it doesn't exist. Okay. Also create a group named nautilus_admin_users and app server 2 in Stratos data center. Add the user Muhammad to the nautilus_admin_users group. Okay, they are asking us to create a user named Muhammad and app server 2 and with some user ID and in the some group. First, let me log into the app server 2. By default, we are in the jump host. Go here and search for app server 2. Copy the password. Steve is the username and the stapp02 is the server name. SSH username Steve @ server name stapp02. Hit enter. Type yes. Paste the password. Okay, now we are in the app server 2. Okay, first let me check whether user named Muhammad exists or not. Let me copy paste it instead of typing it manually because even small and capital letters also matters, and even one letter missed, then our task will not be executed successfully. Paste it. No such user. And let me check. I am verifying all the tasks, means whatever they are asked us, whether they are existed or not. I am just verifying. After that we will do the task. CD, paste it. Okay, no such directory or groups. Cat etc group, and we have to filter right particular grep. Copy, paste it here. So nothing is there. Okay, we don't have our username Muhammad, we don't have opt/Muhammad directory, we don't have nautilus_admin_users group. Okay, now I will create a user named Muhammad. Okay, since we are changing configuration to the system, right? So we need to give sudo user add -help. Let me copy the password. Paste it here. Oh, something wrong. Let me copy again. Go here again. Paste it. Okay. So our command is sudo user add, and they are asking us to set user ID, right? In order to set user ID, yeah, user ID -u, set user ID of the new account -u. What is it? 1709. Copy paste it. And -d, we are giving the directory, right? So I think we will get some issue. Let's see. Paste it here. -d, and we have to add the right groups. _users. Paste it here, and then username. Paste it. -name, create a home. Okay, let me give -m because we don't have this directory, right? So if we give small m, then if the directory not existed, it will create it. Okay, let me hit enter. User add a group does not exist. Okay, so let me, what I will do is, first I will create a group, sudo group add. So they are not asking us to do in a particular location, nothing like that, right? So what I will do is, I will just use sudo group add the group name, enter. So now let me run that command again, hit enter. I think we created, let me type ID Muhammad. Okay, we have groups and the group ID, and with the user ID 1709 specific mentioned. So other way to check it out is sudo cat /etc/passwd. Okay, enter. So here you see our username is Muhammad, and 1709 is the username, 1002 is the group name, and opt/Muhammad is the directory, and this is the default shell. Okay, and what else we need to check? We have to check the groups, right? Sudo cat/etc/group, enter. And here you see _admin_users group is also created. So we are good with this task. Let me click on next. So we are not able to verify, right? So let's go and check it out at the end. Okay, let me read the task. One of the developers at Nautilus has stored sensitive data on the jump host in Stratos data center. This data needs to be transferred to an app server. As developers lack access to the app servers, they have requested the system admin team to complete this task. Okay, please copy the file /tmp/nautilus.txt.jpg from the jump server to app server 2 at the following location. We are in the app server 2, right? First let me check any data existed in this particular location. cd/home/nfs data. Okay, /home, enter. ls-l cat. Okay, directory, right? So cd nfs data ls-l. So nothing is there. Okay, what I will do is, I will, once I click on this plus button, I will get the new terminal. Let me click on this. Okay, I am here on my jump host. Sudo scp -help password for Thor. Let me search for Thor. So jump server, right? We need to copy the password of it. Copy, paste it here. Okay, here is our flags. How we can use this SCP utility. Sudo SCP. What is the location? First we need to check whether file existed or not, right? So sudo tmp ls-l. Okay, not less .txt.jpg file existed. Sudo scp. This is the source file. We need to log in, right? So source file, copy, paste it here. And what is the destination? We have to give the server details first, then we have to give the path. So server details, let me check here. Steve @stapp02. Okay, we need to give Steve @stapp02 : /home/nfs data. Okay, let's click on enter. Are you sure? Wanted to type yes, and we have to give the app server 2's password. Copy here, paste it, hit enter. Okay, data is transferred. Now let me go to this first terminal and check, is it, do we receive any data or not? So you see ls-l, we got our file from the jump host to the app server 2. Okay, we completed this task also. Let me click on next button. Okay, this is our third task. Let me read the task first. To ensure compliance with security standards, the Nautilus project team is implementing restrictions on crontab access, specifically dictating which users are permitted to create or modify cron jobs. The assignment is to limit cron job access to app server 2 according to the following criteria. Grant crontab access to the Tom users while denying access to the codecloud_cap user. We are in the app server 2, right? cd tilde symbol. So we are in the home directory of this Steve user. So what we will do is, let me change it as a root user, sudo su hyphen. Let me type the password for Steve user, paste it here. Okay, so there is something called as cd/etc crontab. Okay, cd/etc cron. Let me see what existed in the etc file. Okay, ls-l. Is there any something like cron.allow? So crontab is there. We don't have this file cron.allow. Okay, cd cd tilde symbol vi/etc/cron.allow. This is the file where we need to create users to whom we need to give access to cron jobs. Okay, let's click on this vi/etc cron.allow. Let's type vi/etc cron.allow on the terminal and hit enter. Okay, press I and copy the user to whom we need to give the cron access. Just paste it, escape, :x, enter. So let me see cat etc cron.allow. We can verify it. First, let me switch as a sudo su hyphen. Username is Tom. Okay, now we are logged in as a Tom user. Let me see, can I do cat crontab -e? cat how to verify particular users crontab access crontab hyphen username hyphen l crontab hyphen l crontab hyphen l no crontab for Tom sudo su hyphen. Okay, we are in the root user, so we can verify it by using crontab hyphen u. What is the username? Tom crontab hyphen l. Okay, let me change it as a, so in order to verify whether a particular user is having crontab access or not, we need to login as that particular user sudo su hyphen tom. Okay, so I am logged in as a Tom user. What I will do is crontab hyphen e. So if I have access, then I can able to see like this. Okay, I will show you once. Let me type exit, and now I am logged in as a root user again. So what I will do is sudo su hyphen code cloud underscore cap user, paste it. Okay, now I logged in as a code cloud underscore cap user. Let me type crontab hyphen e. Here you see crontab hyphen e. You are not allowed to use this program. See crontab for more information. So are not allowed to use this program. Okay, this means this by default no user is allowed to access crontab. Okay, let me type exit. Now we are in the root user. To be on safer side, we need to create, there is a file called sudo etc cron.deny. Okay, just press I and paste the username here, escape colon x, enter. Okay, cat slash etc cron.deny, hit enter. Okay, we have this user. We completed the task. We verified whether Tom user is having access or not, and codecloud underscore camp user is having access or not. So let me click on this next button. Okay, this is our fourth task, and let me see what they are asking us to do. Weightage is 12. The Nautilus security team performed an audit on all servers present in the Stratos data center. During the audit, some critical data files were identified which were having the wrong permission as per security standards. Once the report was shared with the production support team, they started fixing the issues one by one. It has been identified that one of the files named /etc/hostname and app server 2 has wrong permissions, so that needs to be fixed and the correct access control list need to be applied. Okay, user named Virat must not have any permissions on this file. User named Vivek should have read-only permission on the file. Further, sysadmin group should have read or write permissions on the file. We are in the app server 2, right? Let me clear the screen. Let me type clear on the, oh, it's not working. Okay, anyway, let it be. So first what I will do is I will verify whether user named Virat exists or not. ID Virat. Okay, Virat is existed. In the same way, let me check ID Vivek exists or not. Vivek is there. Let me check whether group named sysadmin exists or not. Sysadmin existed. Okay, and let me check whether the file named cat /etc/hostname exists or not. For that, we need to type cat /etc/hostname. Okay, so it is there. Okay, we have all these things. I will do get facl. So what I will do is get facl, enter. ఫైల్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి ఈటీసీ హోస్ట్ నేమ్, ఓనర్ వచ్చేసి రూట్, గ్రూప్ వచ్చేసి రూట్, యూజర్స్కి రీడ్ రైట్, గ్రూప్కి రీడ్ ఓన్లీ పర్మిషన్ ఉన్నాయి, అదర్స్కి రీడ్ ఓన్లీ పర్మిషన్ ఉన్నాయంట. బట్ ఇక్కడ మన టాస్క్ ఏంటంటే యూజర్ విరాట్ మస్ట్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ పర్మిషన్స్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఫైల్, యూజర్ వివేక్ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ రీడ్ ఓన్లీ పర్మిషన్, set facl -help. So let's say we don't know anything about these commands, then we can make use of this help. Okay, here you see sudo set facl. Okay, then modifying acl, right? We are modifying acl. User virat must not have any permissions on the file. Okay, so మనం విరాట్ అనే యూజర్స్ కి పర్మిషన్స్ అని రిమూవ్ చేస్తాం కదా. సో వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ ఇస్ -x username virat, set facl rlp -m-x file name, paste it, enter, get facl /hostname. Let me type sudo set facl -m because we are modifying, right? Modifying access control list, and -x -u and the username వచ్చేసి virat. Let me type it, paste it here, and comma sudo set facl -m, then we need to give -x. So what is the username? Virat, and file name /etc hostname, enter, set facl typo, invalid argument for character 1. Why we are getting like this? We are not supposed to get this. Try individually. Sudo set facl -x up arrow. Let me remove this -m and hit enter. Hit enter. Okay, it worked. Get facl /etc hostname. Sorry, doing typos here. Hostname, shit, hostname, I have to type t here. Okay, here you see removing leading / from absolute path names. Let me apply for sudo set facl -m it is the username Vivek, and what are the permissions we have to give? Read permission only, and to which file we need to give to sudo etc /hostname. Hit enter, then sudo set facl -m group. What is the group name? sysadmin. What are the permissions? Read write, and where is it? Sudo /hostname. Okay, now let me check. Exit, get facl /etc hostname. Okay, now you see user, where is it? Wake user only read permission, and Virat user should not have group. Sysadmin group is having this particular permission. Virat user do not have any permission. So since Virat user is not there, means he don't have any permissions on this particular file. సో ఫైనల్గా మనం వెరిఫై చేయాలంటే గెట్ facl ఆ ఫైల్ యొక్క పాత్ హోస్ట్ నేమ్. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ నెక్స్ట్. Exit. Okay, so this is our fifth task. Some directories and files needed to be created on app server in Stratos data center. Complete this task as per the details mentioned below. Create a directory named /opt/finance and app server 2 in status data center. Further, create a blank file named /opt/finance/finance.txt. Okay, first let me go to cd/opt. Okay, let me type what we have here. Nothing here. Permission denied. Sudo mkdir finance ls hyphen l. See finance cd finance. Okay, now we are inside the finance ls hyphen l. Nothing is there, and they are asking us to create a blank file, right? So what I will do is touch finance.txt. We created permission denied. Sudo touch finance.txt. Okay, we created ls-l. So you see we created one file cat finance.txt. Nothing is there. Okay, that's it for this task. Let me click on this next button. Let's see what is our next task. Okay, this is our sixth task. The development team requires specific logs stored within the Nautilus storage server situated in the Stratos data center. Access the designated location and the server to retrieve the necessary logs. Further, perform below actions. Create a tar archive named logs.tar under Natasha's home of var/log/directory. Now create a compressed tar archive as well as named logs.tar.gz under Natasha's home of var/log directory. Type exit here. So now we are in the jump host. They are asking us to do task in the storage server, right? Okay, this is Natasha is the username and ststvar is a server name. SSH username Natasha @ststvar01. Hit enter. Type yes. We have to give the password. Paste the password and enter. Okay, now we are in the storage server. Now let's see Natasha's home directory. Now we are in the Natasha's home directory. What they are asking us to do is sudo. Okay, so what they are asking us to do is tar the file sudo tar hyphen. Let me type hyphen help. Type the Natasha password. Copy. Paste it here. Sudo tar hyphen. Okay, here you see tar cf archive. Create archive.tar from files to and for. Sudo hyphen sudo hyphen. Here you see sudo tar hyphen cf. Sudo tar hyphen cf. What is the location they are asking? From Natasha's home /home/ with the name logs.tar. Let's verify once. Do we have anything on the sudo homes cd home/ Natasha ls-l? Nothing is there, right? Now what I will do is sudo tar cf. C means create, f means file. What is the location where we have to home Natasha ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ చేయాలా with the name అంటే logs.tar from where /var/log. Okay, hit enter. From member names ls-l. Oh, what happened? I don't know. Let me log into the server again. SSH Natasha is the username and the password sorry, username and server name is ststr01. Hit enter, paste the password. Oh, mission denied. We copy it again, go back here, paste it here again, enter. Okay, now we are in the storage server. Okay, it is created. And now again what we will do is they are asking us to create a compressed archive as well named. Okay, sudo tar hyphen help, again take the help, paste it. See here, come on to the bottom top. Okay, create a compressed tar archive xf. If you wanted to create archive, that is tar-cf, but they are asking compressed, right? There may be something compressed, compressed. Where is it? Where is it? Z. You see, compress capital Z. Asking for the GZ. Z means gunz. So here you see gzip. Filter the archive through gzip. Okay, what I will do is sudo tar hyphen c zdf czdf, where home slash natasha slash logs dot tar dot gz, and from where slash log, hit enter, ls hyphen l. You see, two files created. That means we completed this task. Let me click on next. Okay, this is 14 weightage, and let me read the task first. There is some data on Nautilus App Server 2 in Stratos data center. Data needs to be altered in some of the files on Nautilus App Server 2. Alter the slash home slash bsd.txt file as per the details given below. Delete all lines containing the word copyright and save the result in slash home slash bsd underscore delete.txt file. Please be aware of case sensitivity. Replace all occurrences of the word or look for the exact match with them and save the result in slash home slash bsd underscore replace.txt file. Note: let's say you are asked to replace the word to with from. In that case, make sure not to alter any words containing the string itself, for example up to, contributor, etc. Since we are in the storage server, exit from it. Now we are in the jump host. They are asking us to do the task in app server 2, right? ssh app server 2 steve, and this is the password. Steve @st app02, paste the password. Okay, now we are in the app server 2. First let me search whether the file exists or not. Cat slash etc, sorry, cat slash home slash bsd.txt. Okay, we have the file, and what we have to do is first delete all the lines containing the word. What we will do is grep hyphen help, grep inverted match, select non-matching lines. ఎక్కడెక్కడైతే నాన్ మ్యాచింగ్ లైన్స్ ఉంటుంది, షిట్, grep -v. Let's see whether this file exists or not. cd slash home ls -l bsd.txt is there, but bsd underscore delete text is not here. So what I will do is just up arrow, hit enter, permissions denied. So what I have to do is sudo Permission denied. Paste it. Enter. Okay, now let me see cd slash home slash ls-l delete.txt cat psd underscore delete.txt. Okay, we got our file. Same way cd cd dollar. So first task we completed. We let me use sed s hyphen slash or తో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి కదా. సో రీప్లేస్ చేసి దీంతో పెట్టాలా, దీంతో పెట్టి ఎక్కడ గ్లోబల్ గా చేయాలంట. ఫస్ట్ లెట్ మీ సీ వన్స్ cd slash home bsd.txt enter. Terminated is command. Let me see ls-l cd slash home ls-l. Okay, bsd.txt delete cat bsd underscore replace cd slash home ls-l cat bsd underscore replace. Nothing is there. Replace all the occurrences of the word or look for the exact match with them. Save the result in. Replace all occurrences of the word or sudo su hyphen. Okay, sorry. Here we need to give hyphen b. Hit enter. Now let's see cat slash home slash bsd underscore replace enter.